My name is Tejas.
My name is Chandas.
My name is Sampakoda.
I am studying in LKG. Our school name is Philomena High School in Chandapura.
Tejas. Rivers of India.
Rivers of India. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Saveri, Krishna, Marathi, Kannada, Peniya, Tamilnadu, Vaina, Yamuna.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Earth, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus.
Only one. Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Naveshu, Massa, Purva, Varaga, Dasima, Vamana, Dasimava, Rava, Krishna, Buddha, Kaliki.
Chandas. State and capitals.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Jaypur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, West Bengal, Kolkata.
National symbols.
National symbols:
Father of the nation.
Mahatma Gandhiji.
National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National emblem.
Lion capital.
National flag.
Three-color flag.
National flower.
Lotus.
National animal.
Tiger.
National sea animal.
Dolphin.
National bird.
Peacock.
National fruit.
Mango.
National vegetable.
Pumpkin.
National language.
Hindi.
National calendar.
Soka calendar.
National book.
Bhagavad Gita.
National game.
Hockey.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National river.
Ganga.
Five oceans.
Five oceans. Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Seven continents of the world.
Seven continents of the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Classical dance from India.
Classical dance from India. Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Manipur, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odissi, Odisha, Satariya, Assam, Maki dance, Madhya Pradesh, Gandiya, Gujarat, Yakshagana, Karnataka.
Jnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winner for Karnataka. Kuvepu, Dalabaya, Surankara, Pati Venkat Chailankar, P. Gangokar, Yuva Amatumoti, Irish Karna, Shangasega Kamara.
National festivals.
Dasa Festival, January 20th, Republic Day, August 5th, Independence Day, September 5th, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 4th, Children's Day.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Urdu, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odisha, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Seven wonders of India.
Seven wonders of India. Gonkeshwar in Karnataka, Taj Mahal in Delhi, Hampi Temple in Karnataka, Govardhan Temple in Odisha, Telangana University in Bihar, Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh, Golden Temple in Punjab.
36 in Karnataka.
33 Karnataka, Bangkok, Ballari, Bida, Bengaluru, Belgavi, Tabashtaka, Chikapur, Chikuduga, Dashikara, Damukiri, Davagada, Assam, Kaveri, Kalmuki, Koragu, Kola, Kapla, Manya, Mysore, Ravaga, Raichur, Shubuka, Tumku, Rupi, Utaka, Yaki.
7 colors in Rainbow.
Rainbow, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Ministers of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujarat Nanda, Rajbahadu Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, T.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Indra Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus: Vasanta, Ishwaradu, Varsharadu, Shashiradu, Yamadadu, Shashiradu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu, Nunama, Chaitra, Oshaka, Resa, Asara, Samara, Vaduvara, Ashiya, Kartika, Marisha, Usha, Vaga, Famula.
Chief Ministers of Karnataka.
Chief Ministers of Karnataka, Changalaya Reddy, Changalan Mantaya, Kairala Manjappa, S. Nijalingappa, B.D. Jagti, S.R. Kanti, Nirendra Patil, E. Devaraj Arasa, R. Gundura, Ramakrishna Hegde, S.R. Vomma, S. Bangarappa, M. Mirappa Mouli, H.D. Deve Gowda, D.H. Patel, S.M. Krishna, Dharam Singh, D.V. Tarunagowda, Jagdish Shettar, Siddaramaiah, H.D. Kumaraswamy, B.S. Yediyurappa, Basavaraj Bommai, Siddaramaiah.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Kings of Karnataka.
King for Karnataka, Pulkeshi, Krishnadeva Nair, Krishavardhana, Modevardhan, Agaga Vashta, Madagari Nayaka, Itugali Chennamma, Akka Bukka, Jayarava Valera, Kamatuna.
Borders of India.
Borders of India, North Himalaya, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Epics of India.
Epics of India, Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Indian festivals.
India Festival, Saraswati, Navratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Parashivati, Christmas, Holi, Mohra, Good Friday.
Chandas. President of India.
President of India, Rajendra Prasad, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Jagi Hussain, D.V. Giri, B.D. Jagti, Neelam Sanjeev Reddy, Shankar Daya Sharma, Ramaswamy Venkataramana, A.R. Narayana, A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patil, Pranab Mukherjee, Ramnath Kovind, Draupadi Murmu.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India: Dubai Deshwa, Alva Safari, Sujita Tiparani,
Kittur
Rani
Rani
Chennamma, Kirani Chennamma, Vanake Ovaga, Vijayasifandre, Saraini Naina, Nasinani Nakshibai.
Religions of India.
Religion of India: Hinduism, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
10 Mukya Upanishad.
10 Mukya Upanishad, Ishavasya Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, मांडुक्य उपनिषद, बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद.
Most popular international airport.
Most popular international airport, Indira Airport, New Delhi, Rajiv Gandhi Airport, Hyderabad, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Mumbai, Chennai Airport, Chennai, Kempegowda Airport, Bangalore.
9 union territories: New Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Nagaland, Nagar Haveli, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh.
7 wonders of the world.
7 wonders of world. Gate of Egypt, Machu Picchu, Nasmaha, Historia, Colosseum, Vista Jordan, Chichen Itza.
Indian dynastics.
Liya Dynasty, Chalukya Dynasty, Chola Dynasty, Vaishala Dynasty, Mora Dynasty, Pandava Dynasty, Gupta Dynasty, Asura Dynasty, Mughal Dynasty, Vijayanagar Dynasty, Vardhana Dynasty.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: rights to equality, rights to freedom, rights to economic reputation, rights to funeral legends, personal education, rights to constitution remedies.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: C.V. Sahuja, C.V. Raman, Homi Bhabha, Chandra Bose, Meghala Sagar, Tanushree, Satyendra Bose, Subramanian Chandrasekhar, Vikram Sarabhai, Anu Godekar, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Genders.
Genders:
Masculine,
feminine,
male,
female,
boy,
girl,
brother,
sister,
father,
mother,
grandfather,
grandmother,
son,
daughter,
daddy,
mummy,
papa,
mama,
uncle,
auntie,
gentleman,
lady,
husband,
wife,
man,
woman,
son,
man,
bull,
cow,
cock,
and
dog.
fish.
ಲಿಂಗಗಳು.
ಲಿಂಗಗಳು:
ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ,
ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ,
ಗಂಡು,
ಹೆಣ್ಣು,
ಹುಡುಗ,
ಹುಡುಗಿ,
ಅಣ್ಣ,
ಅಕ್ಕ,
ತಂದೆ,
ತಾಯಿ,
ಅಜ್ಜ,
ಅಜ್ಜಿ,
ಮಗ,
ಮಗ,
ಅಪ್ಪ,
ಅವ್ವ,
ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ,
ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ,
ಗೃಹಸ್ಥ,
ಗೃಹಿಣಿ,
ಗಂಡ,
ಹೆಂಡತಿ,
ಪುರುಷ,
ಮಹಿಳೆ,
ಸೋದರಳಿಯ,
ಸೋಳ ಸೊಸೆ,
ಸರ್,
ಮೇಡಂ,
ಗೂಳಿ,
ಅಗಳು,
ಹುಂಜ,
ಕೋಳಿ,
ಗಂಡು ನಾಯಿ.
ಹೆಣ್ಣು ನಾಯಿ.
Countries and capitals.
Countries and capitals: Afghanistan, Kabul, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Australia, Canberra, Asia, Vienna, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Belgium, Brazil, Bhutan, Thimphu, Brazil, Brasilia, Bulgaria, Sofia, Canada, Ottawa, Chile, Santiago, China, Beijing, Colombia, Bogota, Denmark, Copenhagen, Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo, Egypt, Cairo, Finland, Helsinki.